Welcome back to our channel. So this time, we're going to test our remote desktop connection from our server. Try po natin kung gumagana po yung remote connection. So this time, we're going to tap the start. Then, we're going to search the remote connection. Okay, remote desktop. Then we're going to type this one. So to check to have a remote desktop, first is we're going to check our firewall kung naka-off ba ito. Then, check natin yung remote settings kung naka-allow. Then, you can use your IP address to remote your PC or the name of your PC. So, in my part, I'm going to use the name of my computer. So, we're going to access these properties. Then we're going to check the name of our computer, which is the Almagro client. This one. Okay, so we're going to type here the Almagro client for us to check the connectivity of our remote desktop connection. Okay, connecting to Almagro client. So the server is asking a password. So we're going to type the password for securing remote connection to the client. So in remote desktop connection, bali po guys, mata-transfer yung desktop ng client papuntang server. So this time, another user is signed in. If you continue, they will be disconnected. Do you want to sign in? So we're going to tap the yes. Then there is a reply from our client, which is we're going to tap OK for connect this to the machine. Okay, so this time there is a transfer of desktop. Then the desktop of Windows 10 will be transferred to Windows Server 2012 R2. Guys, okay, there's a transfer. So, pwedeng kontrolin ng server ang client once maka-remote desktop na. Okay. Welcome other user. So, in remote desktop connection, you can have your IP address or the name of your machine. We're going to type here our sample folder para ma-check doon sa client. Remote, I'm going to check this one. We're going to have a new folder, remote desktop. Okay, we have here the remote desktop. Then we're going to close this one. We're going to check if we have redirect this folder to our client, which is the UD. We're going to access this one, admin. But we're going to use our keyboard 1 2 3 4. Then we're going to yes, okay. We're going to check if there is